Welcome to my fridge. So here you have a lot of different types of salads, different vegetables and protein. It's Steve's mom who brought the butter. Normally we never use it. Just to consume it, I put it instead of the olive oil to cook. Another thing she brought is cow's milk. I have to throw it out. Instead we are using plant-based milks, which according to my latest information is not super healthy as well. Especially these with different flavors give me acne. Then dried caterpillars, no, I joke, it's just turmeric. And of course the good old ginger. Stay healthy.